How to get your memories back on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your memories back on Snapchat. So without any further ado or delay, let's just get started with today's video. If you lost your memories and you would like to get it back on Snapchat, what are the steps that you can take? Now, directly within Snapchat, there isn't a restore button, but we can request Snapchat to download our data, which will also include the memories that you might have lost. So once you open Snapchat, tap your Bitmoji avatar from the top left, then tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Now when you've done that, you want to simply scroll down and you want to look for something that says My Data and tap on it. Now when you go to My Data, you'll find a list of other options as well. So here we want to simply download a list of our data, one of which will include memories. So if they give us an option to filter what kind of data we want to download, you can see all of these files. So it says select data to include. We can see export the memories, chat, media, and shared notes. So simply turn this on. Other things you might not need it. So whatever it is that you don't need it, you can uncheck that and just keep memories and other media only. Because the more you select, the longer the time is going to take for Snapchat to compile this data for you. Then when you've done that, you should be able to just select memories and other media, then tap the next option, download the data. It will take some time for Snapchat to compile the data and send it to your email or other sources. But this way you can recover your lost memories. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.